Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. No fizzy drink for me today?
Rohit. Rohit, listen, let's start at the beginning. From when you were, and it's not that long ago, drinking lots of fizzy drinks. When you were doing that, did you feel like you were addicted?
Thank you for having me. When I started having fizzy drinks, I didn't feel addicted, but after some time, I did realize that I'm drinking a lot every day, and then I realized that I might be addicted.
And physically, could you feel the difference? Because when things happen gradually, quite often we don't really notice. And it's only when someone might meet you after a couple of years and say, hey, you don't look too good. Did you feel unhealthy?
Yes, I was getting physical unhealthy signs. My weight has increased. I was feeling bloated all the time. So those were the signs and I went to the GP as well. They have told me to stop fizzy drinks as well. So I knew that I'm unhealthy. One of the main reasons is fizzy drink.
Okay, did you look into the science of fizzy drinks yourself and the nutritional and dietary issues before you decided that you really needed to stop?
Yes, I knew I did a bit of history research about fizzy drinks, but I knew that I have to stop them because it was proven to me that they are the main reasons for me to be overweight and bloated all the time. So then decided to stop.
So how did TikTok and social media become part of your, it's almost something that spurs you on, I suppose, to continue not drinking fizzy drinks?
Yeah, exactly. Social media, TikTok especially, and Instagram and all other platforms played an important role for me. I started putting my videos on TikTok so that people will support me and then I will be more accountable. And that's what exactly happened.
I mean, you have become a serious star. There you are, we're showing you holding a glass of water, obviously the best way to hydrate. But you have 200,000+ followers now, whereas before you had literally fewer than 10, and you have millions of views. What are the reactions and where are they coming from?
I would like to thank all of the people who are supporting me. The reactions came when I look at the comments, the reaction are from everywhere. People thank me. They also say that they get motivated by me. They give me tips and tricks on continuing. So it's all over. I read all the comments and I reply to them, and I'm really thankful to them.
Okay, so what is your favorite drink nowadays? Is it literally water?
Yeah, exactly. I have mainly changed fizzy drinks to water. Water is the main drink which I drink all the time. I do have juices and smoothies, which are healthy drinks, but mainly water.
And do you have an issue with the way, I mean, it's obviously a personal opinion, and I'm not asking necessarily for you to criticize those companies, but those companies like Coca-Cola and the ones who make these drinks in which they add, it's called free sugar, isn't it? Free sugar is what's found in a drink or any particular food that doesn't naturally occur in that item. And the way they push these drinks in terms of reflecting some kind of lifestyle through their incredible advertising, I mean, you can't really blame people for falling into a trap of drinking a lot of soft drinks. And I have to say, I'm one of those people, but I'm thinking twice about it now.
I have clearly mentioned a few times before as well, and I would like to mention again that my fight is not against fizzy drink. My fight is simply against the addiction. What I think is addiction is bad. Everything, if you have it in limit, it's fine. So that's why I always say to people, try to get rid of the addiction. And I'm not fighting against any fizzy drink or particular drink or anything.
Can I take a guess and imagine that originally you're from somewhere in the subcontinent? Does it strike
Yeah, I'm
you
from India.
does it strike you as interesting in terms of my experiences across the subcontinent? When I go to the most remote places that I've ever possibly been to, I see a small wooden shack and it has Coca-Cola in red and white emblazoned right across it. I mean, those drinks are available in places where people might not even have, a TV or a telephone, but they can get a fizzy drink.
Yeah, if I speak about generally fizzy drinks, not targeting any particular company, they are readily available actually everywhere.
Rohit, thank you so much indeed, really honestly. We've been trying to get an interview with you for the past few days, and for you to finally appear with us here on TRT World to tell us this great idea that you had and to take care of your own health through your own decisions. Really fantastic. You are indeed an inspiration. Rohit Roy, thank you.
Thank you for having me. Thank you, everyone.